Alrighty guys, welcome back to another daily adventure where we pop our incense. How you doing? Hope all is well. Alright, so let me catch y'all up to speed real quick. Alrighty guys, before the video gets underway, I have to do a little shameless plug and to thank my sister for making all of the merch, designing the merch, buying the equipment to make the merch. So if you like what you see, come to the first pinned comment down below. If you want to support us in any way, come to the website, check us out, because why not? And yeah, we now have Survivor 3 merch. Check out the first pinned comment. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace. Chuckle at it. Okay, so we need to... The object, I'm sorry, getting scatterbrained. The object of the series, Pidgeotto, is to get all 3 birds. We use the Master Ball to catch a Moltres. Seen Articuno many times and have yet to see a Zapdos. Now, I ain't gonna lie, I wasn't gonna go out and film tonight, but the fact is, my buddy, my best friend, just told me he got a Zapdos. We got a Phanpy. He got a Zapdos, like 3,000 CP. Used the Master Ball, but it's like, whoa, you got a Zapdos on your daily today? No, mother trucker. Just jealous. That's all it is. It's just jealous. Cute fly. Click it. Thank you. No shine. Oh, that's not even on the daily? Okay, get out of here. Wild Grimer. Excellent throw. Wild Bellsprout. And also, yo, I'm so close to leveling up, yo. So close. We got a Mudkip on the daily. Yeah. Stay tuned to the end of the video. I'll show the stats of what we got. I really only I won't show, but I'll check my zeros and my hundos, and then I will show where I'm at my level wise. I think I have to go, yeah, I gotta go through the middle. We are on a route as well. Don't know what's my daily here. Alright, we have a Heracross. Okay, caught it. It's all wild. Wild Lotad. Wild Flabebe. Oh, and I don't have Mewtwo out here. Fail. Another Phanpy. It's Phanpy Combat. You know what? I'll take it because your boy still needs this shiny. Alright, we gotta keep going this way. I'm doing a route I actually made. Made it myself. Called a Solid Snake. It's an S through the park, and one of my favorite games was Metal Gear. So if you know, you know. Wild Numel. Don't think I caught it. Yo, can these be shiny? I need to know. I need to know. I do have one shiny, but that's when they had that regional event. We got a Sentret on the daily. It's jumping. It's jumping me. Dang, I wanted that excellent. I was timing it with a jump. I thought I was gonna jump and that'd be an excellent, but no, you ruined it, you fled. I don't even want you. It's cool. It's cool. It's all fun and games. Wild Durant. He's jumpy too. You know what? Let me check this showcase. Enter different Pokemon. Oh wow, I guess that's my best one. Okay. Second. Who's in front of me? Damn, big ass puddles. Okay, it's cool. It's cool. Teddiursa on the daily. You know what? Tonight's the night. It's gotta be. We ain't seen a bird in how long? This basculin is still back here. I'll try and catch a buddy. What do I gotta do? Okay, we're working on it, but... Wild Meowth. Nope, sorry. A Meowth on the daily. Hey, we did it. Make 5 great throws. What do we get? Alright, verdict is... Wow. Slack off, eh? Okay. Hey, I'll take the excellent. Hey, post up in the gym. It's gotta be. It's gotta be a Snorlax show. That's how you know it's me. If you're at Broderick Park and you see a Snorlax, you probably just know it's the Ravager. It's me. Fuecoco, that's not what we want. Not even a shiny check. But we got a Fuecoco on the daily. Yeah. Alright, man. Be a little feisty one, eh? Alright, not really. It was only second ball. Carvana, not on the daily. And you move. Get out of here. Another Fuecoco on the daily. Jesus. Look at this. Oh, it's so disappointing. Oh, they're feisty too, man. Feisty little things. Not the Carvana. Ooh, Zygarde cell. Let's go. Shiny check here. Clamperl, yo. Not even mad about it. Not even mad about it. Hey, exchange the gift. Let me add a sticker. Just get rid of them. Get rid of the stickers. Exchange it. Okay. Bookmark it. It is from Japan. I'm not going to even attempt to pronounce it. With all respect. Potion, 200 dust. I mean, okay, it's cool. A sticker that I'll never use. Complete the route. Yes. It's my own route. How many times? I've done it 13 times. Okay. 4,000 XP, a free 4,000 XP, I'll take it. Wild Woobat. Is this off of a daily? It is. Staravia, okay. Might attempt to do another route, yo. I just realized there's medals you gotta work on for routes. So now it's like, Wild Bounce Sweet. Houndour. Oh, there's a dark type. Okay. For 5 berries. Great. Oh, 2 excellent throws. Can I do that on you? That will die. You know what? It's all good. We got a Mankey. That's a great throw. Come on, game. I'm grinding for these. Glameow in the wild. Hold on. Okay, just hit it back. It's fine. Joltik. I ain't even gonna try on you. Yeah, nah. Alright, what do you gotta do? And I want the Pokestop. Thank you. That's all I wanted. What do I gotta do? Power up Pokemon? I'm not doing that. Win a raid? It's bedtime. The raids are in bed. Oh, is that a binnacle? It is. What's up, binnacle on the daily? You're gonna be spotlight hour tomorrow with 2 times transfer candy, so that's cool. Could have been excellent. That's cool. All right, how much time we got? 3.5 minutes, and I'm just like lazily walking through the park. Already pretty much. Yeah, I got almost a lap in. Wild Marill? How many Pokemon in this? Low-key wanna take y'all out when I'm done. When I'm done recording. A bounce sweep. Oh, this is the same one. Can't get that excellent. Wild Eevee. I'm pineapping them until I get to 10,000 candy. Man, that's a great throw. Jesus. It's cool. We got it anyways. How many candies do I got? 9,093. Okay, Wild Makuhita. Oh man, that was close. It was close. Up next, we got... Hello? A Meowth? What is that? Click it. I can't click it. Hold on. It's a Meowth. There we go. Yeah, I know. Hold on. I can't suck at excellence on these Pokemon. What we get? Power up Pokemon 5 times? Not doing that. Not doing that. Wild Quillfish. Okay. I guess spin the gym. Might take you to, might not. I mean, might as well. We got them over there. Wild Palmy. What are my odds, yo? Niantic. We need to talk. For my account, did you guys block the legendary birds here? Your boy's struggling. Okay? Use 5 raspberries to help catch Pokemon. I can do that. Raz. Excellent. Nope. But where's my spawn at? Raz. Take my Raz. Oh god. That's it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it. 14 Pokemon caught on today's adventure. 664 meters. I'm gonna say the highlight. Wow, what a list we got here. Eevee? Eevee because of all the evolutions? If not Binnacle? Eevee, I don't know. Let me know down in the comments below. Alright, let's go ahead and... yeah, we'll check. Zeros, no zeros, but if anybody wants to know, I'm gonna show them off real quick. Yeah, I caught these as is. I did not evolve to them. I caught this as a 0. Mightyena. Mighty 0 here. Big old 0. Yeah, Per 0. Nidoran. Yeah. Have 8 of them. Let me go here. What's my recent one? It's been over a year since I've caught a 0. The first one I ever caught was in 2019. So that's cool. So those are my 0s. And no hundos, but I'll go like this just for... because I showed off what I did last. You kind of peep out my hundos. Wait, I do have a hundo Snorlax. That's I need to change the name here. Hold on now. Yup. Ah, I need to get that at Best Friends. What? Hold on now. These are my hundos. Cool. Okay, hold on. Let's do some shiny checks real quick. So no new hundos, no zeros, no shinies here. And my XP. 24,224,000 out of 25 million. I am less than 800,000 away. I will be doing a bunch of evolves. I don't know about tonight, maybe, but I plan on leveling up here in the next couple of days. Yeah. Alright, that's all I got. Like and subscribe for more. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys have a great day. I shall see you in the next one. Grunt. Later.